rub it in until it's absorbed. It's going to be absorbed in about 60 seconds, and it'll start working. It's going to work right through till the same time, you know, till tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah. So you've got a little bit of scar tissue down there, and this will get in there and help break up scar tissue. Just straighten that out. I'll just do a little bit of work down. Right? You've got time. You're not rushed.
Huh?
You're not rushed. Not in a hurry.
No.
Okay, all right. I'm just going to massage this down here a little bit for you to loosen it up. Now you'll feel with the cream, now that the cream is absorbed, there's no greasiness there. But you'll feel it kind of starting to warm up. You should be feeling it, just like a little bit of a warming feeling there.
Oh yeah.
That's the cream starting to work. And that's going to continue working for 24 hours. So tomorrow morning, put some more on it in the morning, and before you run, put this in the whole ankle in hot water. Run the basin full of hot water.
Okay. Hot water.
Yeah, hot water. And just put it in there for about 2 or 3 minutes. And that brings nutritive blood flow. It's like squirting hot oil in there.
Okay.
Then you put the cream on.
Okay.
Just a tiny wee bit through here. Okay.
So tomorrow
also,
and before the race.
yeah, that's right.
Do
Yep.
this.
Yep. And then also, before the race, put some in here, so that you've got a balance.
I see.
Yeah, so you're not thinking about this. Get a balance.
Okay.
Right? Most people wouldn't think about that, but I'm telling you that's what you've got to do. Okay. Now, to help this into next week, help this problem, write the letters of the alphabet. You're watching TV. Write the letters of the alphabet with your ankle.
Okay.
And that will get the ankle working. It's educating the ankle to work properly.
Okay.
Just like this, you know, like going around it will like that.
All right.
After a week, gone completely.
Okay.
All right?
That's good. Okay.
So you need to get a tube.
Yeah.